everyone. Today we are discussing about NEP 2020 New Education Policy 2020. It is implemented by central government. The central government has approved the New Education Policy 2020 on the instruction of Dr. Kasturi Rangan. Our New Education Policy 2020 is a boon for the development of our country. In the last 34 years, that is since 1986, there have been no changes in the education system in our country. So, radical changes have been made in this new National Education Policy 2020. The present form of education system has been changed from 10+2 to 5+3+3+4. The thing to be happy about is the continuation of a single education system or single education policy across the country. Also, in the early 5 years of education, it is very good to teach the students in a playway method, as students can learn more without stress. Teaching in the mother tongue up to 5th standard can be considered as crucial. Awareness of vocational education is also important factor in secondary education. Upon completion of school education, one will be able to learn academic knowledge along with having an understanding of at least one profession. Also, having 4 years in undergraduate is a good sign, as those who have completed 4-year degree can easily qualify for a master's degree abroad. Another thing is that in any year of the degree course, there may be an exit or a re-entry. The credit of the students who went there will be kept the same. It is also possible to give that year certificate to any student. It is gratifying to see the budget increase for the country's GDP. The budget increase for the country GDP from 4.4 to 6%, 6% to 6%. It is also good development to bring about comprehensive changes in the teaching profession. If you look at the Indian education system in olden days, in the past way, foreign students used to come and study in our country. For example, Nalanda, Takshashila, Kasi schools, etc. It is may believe that there is a need for us as teachers to bring such a rejuvenation back to our country. it is a matter of great pleasure and pride for the country as a whole to have a single education system irrespective of affluence, gender, government or private, and state to state, etc. So it is great useful to us or our country. It is a good decision in new education policy. It is very very useful to our country. Thank you one and all.